So if you've been thinking about Northport, Florida, and you want more of an affordable house to live in, well, today we are going to be walking you through one of the more affordable new construction homes you will find on the market here in Northport, Florida. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, plus an office, and is just under 2,000 square feet. This was built in 2023, and the builder of this home is D.R. Horton. And right now they have special incentives going on for all of their inventory homes. So if you guys want more information on this house that we're going to be walking you through, definitely reach out with our contact info down below. But also, if you guys are looking for new construction here in the Northport area, we have a dedicated email VIP list for everyone that's looking for new construction. And this home may not be the right one for you, but we just want to keep you in the loop with all the new construction happening in Northport. So go and join that email list. It's 100% free, and I promise you guys I'm not going to be spamming you guys any email. And then if you guys are looking to move to Northport and you guys want more of a buyer's relocation guide, we have a 100% free dedicated relocation guide for Northport that talks about shopping, dining, restaurants, activities, schools, and so much more. So go and be sure to check that out down in the description down below. But with all that being said, let's go and take a look at this new construction home.